Hi, writers. It's Robin. I'm a teacher and an author, and I'm here to teach you everything that I know about writing so we can make it easier and more joyful for you. So let's take a look at today's skill. We're talking about writing with vivid imagery, and this is the second time that we'll be talking about vivid imagery. So let's review. The definition of it is words that paint a picture and allow the reader to experience the moment through senses. So there's sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. So 3 ways that you can do this. 1 is strong verbs, which is what we talked about in the last video. 2 is specific nouns, and 3 is leveled up adjectives. And in this video, we're going to talk about specific nouns. So specific nouns are precise descriptions of people, places, and things to express ideas visually. So according to the dictionary, it's not actually in the dictionary, but they zoom the camera lens in close. So when you say something general like animal or vehicle, the image is fuzzy. So we're going to come up with specific nouns that will fix that image. We are going to go from bland to vivid. First up, she sat down on the furniture. Super bland. Kind of can't picture that. Instead, she sank into the beanbag chair. I want you to notice that I changed the verb. And if you watch the last video on strong verbs, this is where you can start to pull all of these together and put multiple types of vivid imagery in a sentence. So she sank into a beanbag chair, not just any piece of furniture. Now you can visualize it. And now, because of that strong verb, you can understand maybe what the emotions are connected to that. If you're super happy and excited, you don't sink into a beanbag chair. So maybe she's kind of down and disappointed. Let's try another one. He saw a car. Again, super bland all the way around. He glared at the mud-splattered Jeep. A lot going on here. First is glared. So that is your strong verb there that makes us think that he is a little suspicious or something. And he is glaring at a Jeep. So it's a specific type of car. So that's your specific noun. I did want to point out mud splattered because that is a little preview of what we'll be talking about in the next video when we talk about vivid imagery and leveled up adjectives. But I just wanted you to see how you could use all 3 together in one sentence. All right, here's your menu. Let's look at all these different ways that you could say animal, food, place, or thing using a specific noun. So instead of an animal, you would say a drooling bulldog, an alley cat, a one-eyed iguana, a hairless guinea pig. So it's not just even a dog, a cat, a squirrel. You try to get more specific than that. Next, food, a peanut butter and banana sandwich, spicy jalapeno pizza slice, triple chocolate lava cake, pumpkin spice donut with sprinkles. So very detailed, not just a donut. A place, an abandoned subway station, a musty attic full of old trunks, a Civil War battlefield museum, or an underwater shark tunnel exhibit. Very specific. And finally, here's some other things. Slime-covered fidget cube, a hand-painted best friend mug, a neon green alien plushie, chewed up pencil with teeth marks. Very specific. So let's glow this up. The animal ran through the yard. Bland. How about the German Shepherd barreled through the backyard gate? So we've got a specific noun for the type of dog and that it's just not just coming in, but through that backyard gate. And ta-da, a strong verb. Let's see it in action in the Percy Jackson book. Grover wore his fake feet and his pants to pass as a human. He wore a green Rasta-style cap because when it rained, his curly hair flattened and you could just see the tips of his horns. His bright orange backpack was full of scrap metal and apples to snack on. In his pocket was a set of reed pipes his daddy goat had carved for him, even though he only knew 2 songs. Mozart Piano Concerto number 12, and Hilary Duff's So Yesterday, both of which sounded pretty bad on reed pipes. So there are actually at least 5 different specific nouns in here. So pause this and see if you can find them. All right. We have a Rasta style cap. We have scrap metal. We have orange backpack, reed pipes, Hilary Duff's So Yesterday, and Mozart's piano concerto. That would work as well. Lots of specific nouns in one paragraph. Here is your challenge. You're going to take each one of these, rewrite them, and use something specific. And make sure that it is as specific as you can make it. Like we could literally find it or see it in our minds. So if a girl held a book, exactly what book? And maybe even the condition of the book. Is it old? Is it dusty? Is it new? Is it wrapped in plastic? And opening a box. What kind of box? Sitting on furniture, just like we did with the beanbag. Come up with another piece of furniture and get really specific about it. So make sure it also kind of shows you something about the character, how they're feeling, and can the reader picture this? All right. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video when we will talk about leveled up adjectives and teachers. Be sure to look below for the free worksheet that goes with this skill.